Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about hairstyling. More specifically, something that you may have seen if you follow any other YouTubers or if you follow a Lange girl, which I've done a video on my hair curling with my Lange straightener, but this video is all about how to cut down on time on your hair drying. So I am talking about this lovely little project. This is the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I received this as a gift from my lovely bonus mom for my birthday, which was a couple of weeks ago. So I am officially in my 40s and loving it in quarantine. So I'm pretty sure I should get a do-over for that, but I digress. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it, where you can purchase it, and I'm gonna do like a little demo so that you can see how I've used the product. I've had it for about 2.5 weeks now. It has virtually replaced my hair dryer. I'm not saying that there aren't certain situations where you can use a hair dryer, but for me personally, it's really become like a one-step useful product where I don't have to go in and like do the whole, pull thing. So I'm gonna show it to you. This is my handy dandy little Revlon one styler. What's great about it is you have a couple different settings. You've got cool, low, and high. I can pretty much do my whole head on low. Maybe like the middle section I'll do on high, but that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the demo and then tell you my final thoughts about this product at the end. So this is the final product with the hair, and I've obviously done my makeup as well. I will preface by saying that I did run a flat iron through these pieces right here, right by my ears, and then just right in the front because it was like a little wavy, and I like it a little bit more straight. But I did not put a flat iron through any other part of my hair, and I am a flat iron queen. So this is just using the hair dryer. So I want to just kind of do a little spin for you. I am in love with this hair dryer. I don't know that it necessarily saves a ton of time. I did, when I was doing my video today, I was looking down at the timer and I was at about 6 minutes with drying it and kind of showing you guys, or maybe telling you like the volumes that I was using, high, low, cool, things like that. It just seemed easier to me, and let me just grab it. One of the other things I wanted to mention was I use this on the end to kind of hold it and pull it out. And you can get a lot of volume just by holding it up and away from your head and tilting it at the same time. So I think that this is great. I mean, I have really short hair in the back and I can still make it work, but I think for women who have longer hair, this is awesome because you're not going behind and brushing it at the same time. I would tell you that if you have more fine hair, which I do, it's not really fine, but on the finer side, I don't have to let mine air dry at all. Today it was a little bit air dried only because I was getting my computer and my camera set up and everything like that, but on the average, I would tell you if you have thicker hair, you probably want it to air dry, or maybe just run a hair dryer through it real quick so it's not just soaking wet, but it will do the job for you and you'll have nice control. And I always want to get it for the flyaways. I do the straightener, but I don't need to. I really just did like 3 or 4 run-throughs, the 2 top and then the 2 bottom, and I was good to go. So this retails at Walmart for $58. You can get this on eBay, you can get this on Amazon. They even have a color that has not the pink, but it's teal, which is really pretty. And again, it has the 3 settings. It's got cool, which is still at a high setting in terms of the blow, the airflow you're going to get. And then they have low, which I typically use on the bottom. I'll use high on the middle and then low again on the top, because this hair breaks a lot easier. And I just, for the type of hair I have, I don't need it all the way at like the high setting, you know, the heat setting. And then you can run the cool through it when you're done to kind of just lock everything in. But I love it. I hope you guys love it. If you try it, let me know. It's definitely not a need, but it's a want. But I don't have a hairdryer anymore. I just take this. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like it on the thumb button, and make sure you ring the bell. That way you are notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.